Hello everyone. Today I'm going to introduce the nervous system, which is the communication and control system of our body, allowing us to respond to the changing environment. The nervous system consists of different cells and organs which allows our body to detect changes in the environment, process information, and produce a response. The response from the nervous system is very quick, helping us to coordinate our body with the environment. Our environment keeps on changing. These changes are called stimuli. Examples of stimuli include light, sound, temperature, touch, and pain. Our nervous system can detect these stimuli and respond to them. First, we need to take a look into the specialized nerve cells called neurons. Neurons are specialized cells adapted to carry electrical impulses or signals. They have a cell body with the nucleus, which is the control center of the neuron. Dendrites to receive impulses connecting to other neurons, acting like receivers. A long axon to transmit impulses away from the cell body over distance. And a myelin sheath to insulate the axon and speed up the transmission. The nervous system is made up of three main parts. The central nervous system, CNS, which consists of the brain and spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system, PNS, which includes all the nerves which connect the CNS to the rest of the body. Receptors, specialized cells that detect stimuli, such as the light receptors in the retina of our eyes. Let's look at how the system works. When a stimulus is detected, the body can produce a response through a pathway, either in a coordination pathway or a reflex action. Here is how it works. A receptor is responsible for detecting stimulus. Once the receptor is stimulated, it creates a nerve impulse in the form of electrical signal. The electrical impulse travels along a sensory neuron to the brain, our CNS. The CNS processes the information, and the impulse is then sent along a motor neuron and finally reach the effector. An effector carries out the response. Effectors are usually muscles which can contract or glands which can secrete something. Another pathway or response towards stimuli are the reflex actions. Reflexes are rapid, automatic, involuntary. They help protect the body from harm because they happen without conscious thought. For example, if you touch something hot, temperature receptors in your skin detect the heat. A sensory neuron sends an impulse to the spinal cord, which is part of the CNS, and the spinal cord immediately sends an impulse along a motor neuron to your arm muscles, causing muscles contraction and make you pull your hand away. This is called a reflex action, because your body responds without thinking about it. In summary, the nervous system is very important for us in responding to the changing environment. Receptors for detecting stimuli. The sensory cells can create electrical impulses. The electrical impulses are being transmitted through sensory neurons, the CNS, motor neurons, and finally the effectors. It allows the body to respond and coordinate to changes. That's the end of today's video. Thanks for watching.